everyone, welcome back to the online class. As you know, yesterday I have finished this chapter and hope you have understood the uses and the disadvantages of fire, right? And today I'll complete the exercise part of this chapter. So let's get started and we'll complete the exercise part of this chapter, okay? And you can also answer the question if you know, then answer the question in the comment section along with, okay? Mark the correct answer in each of the following. First, early man was frightened of what? Lightning and volcanoes, the damage caused by them, or the fire. The early man was frightened of fire. Fire is energy, okay? Fire is heat and light. Fire is the result of a chemical reaction, which is correct. Fire is the result of a chemical reaction, okay? From the boxes given below, choose the one with the correct order of the following sentences. Okay. So you have to arrange them in a correct order. The order is ये थोड़ा उल्टा पुल्टा दिया हुआ. You have to just correct the order. That is fire. A chemical reaction take place. Energy is in the form of heat and light is released. Oxygen combines with the carbon and hydrogen. So it is the definition of the fire and you have to reassemble it and you have to make the correct definition of this fire. So what can be the first one? The first one will be oxygen combines with carbon and hydrogen. A chemical reaction takes place. Energy in the form of heat and light is released and that is fire. So this is the correct definition for the fire. You can study from here what is fire. I have corrected that order and please complete that. Now answer the following question. What do you understand by the flash point of a fuel? What is this flash point? So flash point means the level or the level of temperature where the fuel gets started or it will catches fire easily. Okay, the temperature of the fuel. A flash point means the temperature of catching the fire. Okay, of a fuel. Second, what are some common uses of fire? We use the fire for warming our houses, for cooking food, and also for lightening things, right? And in what sense it is a bad master? When we are not using it carefully, like when it catches fire, we should be skilled enough to fight with the fire. Otherwise, what will happen? It will damage a lot and it will destruct a lot. Match the items in the column A with those in column B. Okay, you have to tell which are the fuel here, which are the oxygen and which are the heat. So the first one is fuel. Fuel में कौन सा आएगा? Lighted matchstick, air, coal, burning coal, wood, smoldering paper और the cooking gas. क्या क्या होगा इसमें? So fuel में आएगा like coal, burning coal, wood, smoldering paper and the cooking gas. This all will come for the fuel one. Okay, and now burning coal नहीं होगा. ठीक है. ओके, ऑक्सीजन का एयर ही रहेगा. हीट का लाइटेड मैच स्टिक एंड हीट का बर्निंग कोल. दिस विल बी द correct answer for the column A and the column B. Please mark your answer while watching the video. Complete your answers in the book, which can be completed in the book, and rest of the things you can write in the notebook. Fourth, what are the three main ways in which a fire can be controlled or put out? What are the three ways? The three ways is that, first of all, disconnect the connection of the air from the fire. Second, use carbon dioxide fire extinguishers. Okay, and the third, we should put some like sand or blanket over that fire to the third one is that reduce the flash point of that fire. Then it will suddenly put out the fire will get put out. Okay. Match the item in the box A with those in box B. So what you will do is that you have to match it with the column A with the column B. Okay. So let's do this. To burn a paper or a piece of wood, what can be the correct answer for this? To burn paper or a piece of wood, um, mm, to burn a piece of paper or wood, we heat it before it catches fire. Okay, yes. Small fires can be put out with a with a damp uh, with a damp blanket. Yes, small fire can be put out with the damp blanket. Yes, when we will throw the blanket over it, the fire will get off. When water is spread on fire, we use what? We should use I think I just absorbs heat from the burning material, okay, and lowers the temperature. Okay, now a carbon dioxide extinguisher is the best thing to put out an electrical fire and space left between buildings to reduce the risk of fire. Okay, got it? So please match this quickly. Why does a burning candle go out when you blow on it? So when we are blowing over the candle, when we blow over a candle, it get turns off because it removes the hot air around that candle flame, or as we know, when we will reduce the flash point of a fire, then it will suddenly turn off. तो जैसे ही remove करेंगे hot air को from the flame of that candle, it will get turned off. Okay. Spraying water is not a good way of putting out an oil fire or an electrical fire. Why not? Because as we know, oil is lighter than water and it will float over the water. Because spraying water is not a good way of putting out an oil fire or electrical fire. Why not? Because first, for putting out an oil fire, we should not use water, because as we know that over the water the oil will float, because water and oil will never get mixed, and this oil will float over that water, and it will catch fire easily, क्योंकि ऊपर में oil है तो oil mix करके तो आग लगेगा ही, है ना? And for putting out the fire, electrical fire, we don't use the water, because maybe spraying the water over that person or somewhere on the electrical fire, it will carry the current over us when we will throw the water. So unfortunately we will get the current and will get affected by that, and we can die also. Okay, what are some of the things you should do to prevent a fire at home and in the school? So, means you have to do this answer by your own. Okay, you have to do this by your own, and you have to complete this by your own. You can share your ideas. Okay, what are the ways to put out the fire, or what are the measures you have to take to keep yourself safe from the fire? What steps you will prevent to prevent the fire at your home? Okay, and the school. So let me know that, and please share the answers. Okay. Now, working with language, read the following sentences. These are the things which you are supposed to do it by yourself, okay? Wherever you will get the problem, like here you have to find out the verbs, okay? You just let me know if you will get the problem while solving these exercises. I'll give you the solution for that. But I will suggest you that you are supposed to do these answers by your own. And don't worry, if you get any problem, I'll help you. So these are the exercise where you have to do by yourself and ask me wherever you will get the problem, okay? And this is all about today. And guys, complete the exercise well, complete your notebook and the textbook, and we'll meet in the next section with the another chapter of this book. Okay, so guys, have a nice day to all, and bye everyone, and prepare the summary and the question answers, and study the word meaning of this chapter, which are very difficult, which are new for you. Find the word meanings and memorize it.